Hello, beautiful people. In today's video, I have something very different for you, and this is one of the easiest ways you can move abroad. Thousands of people from across the globe use this pathway to begin their life abroad. This pathway provides you with free accommodation, feeding, transportation, health insurance, everything you need. So it's one of the cheapest ways to move abroad for work. The education requirement here is only secondary school leaving certificate. So from the age of 18, you can move abroad on this pathway and begin your new life in a new country. The requirements here are very low and anybody and everybody can do it. Once you are done with your secondary school education, then this is for you. So in today's video, I'm going to break down the opportunity to you, let you know the kind of visa and also how to get started, the step-by-step process and how to get this done. So please do watch the video to the end. And if you know any young person that wants to move abroad, please share this video with them so they can start at a very young age to build a new life in another country. This is for work and I'm going to explain it as we go. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie. You're welcome to the channel. Here I share information to open your eyes to opportunities that are available to you abroad. So please do subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you will know every time I share a new video. And if you would like me to personally help you move abroad, please send me an email because that is what I do. I help friends and family move abroad. So send me an email. Let's talk about it. We can also talk over a call. I also have links in the description box below you can use to book a call with me or to send me an email. Also, please join my Telegram channel. Follow me on Instagram because I share a lot of information on those other platforms that don't make it to YouTube. Once again, you're welcome to the channel. Let me know in the comments if this is your first time. I always have something special for first timers. So just comment below, it is my first time, and I welcome you specially to the channel. Returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. If you want to make $1,000 every month, I have the perfect side hustle for you. This is something you can do from the comfort of your home. You don't need to quit your job to do it, and it is passive income. So you're going to be getting paid while you sleep, get paid while you're on vacation. You don't need to actively work on it to get paid. Let me explain how it works. You can become a publisher on Amazon KDP, and this is something that I myself have done. All right, so I get paid every month from Amazon for doing nothing. I started over 5 years ago, so you can do it exactly the way I did it to be getting paid every month without doing anything. It's a publishing business, but you don't need to be a writer to do it because you're not writing any books. Stackley has put together manuscripts of public domain books that are best-selling books globally. These books are in demand right now across the world. So all you need to do is buy these manuscripts from Stackley, publish it on Amazon KDP, and get paid every month. Stackley has also put together a free training course you're going to be getting when you buy your pack of manuscripts. So you actually do not need to know anything about this before you start. I too knew nothing about it. I got trained by Stackley. I started this business while I was living in Nigeria because I wanted to move abroad. So I started to save money to move abroad, so you can do the same as well. And even now that I'm living abroad, it really helps me with my living expenses. Imagine making $1,000 from nowhere, from literally nowhere, because I don't do anything anymore. And that is the beauty of the business. After you have initially published your books on Amazon KDP, you don't need to do anything anymore. Amazon pays you at the end of every month. So do buy a pack of manuscripts from Stackley. There are currently 4 manuscript packs you can buy. There is a pack of 30 manuscripts, a pack of 60 manuscripts, a pack of 150 manuscripts, and a pack of 300 manuscripts. Feel free to buy any one you can afford, but I do recommend the 300 pack because that is what I did, and that is where you can make the most money. So when I say $1,000 a month, it is not fixed. It can be $20,000, $13,000, $9,000. It can be anything. So when you buy your pack of manuscripts, please send me an email so I can add you to my own private personal KDP group that has KDP publishers from all around the world. So buy your manuscripts from stackley.com, get the free training, publish your books on Amazon KDP, and sit back and get paid every month forever. All the links are in the description box below. This opportunity is to move abroad as an au pair. An au pair is a young person who moves to live with another family to assist them with taking care of the children and light household chores. And in exchange, they provide you with accommodation, a room to stay, they provide feeding, transportation, health insurance, and everything you may need while you are living with them. So this is how it works. You're a young person, you look for a family in another country that is looking for childcare and light duties at home, and then you go live with them. And in exchange for that, they are taking care of you. All right. And they also offer stipends as well. The stipends, is at the discretion of your host family. So the country where we're going to be doing this is in France. Au pair is actually originated from France, even though other countries right now have such opportunities. But let us talk about how to move to France as an au pair. I know someone here on YouTube who moved abroad as an au pair when she was very young, and now she's a citizen of the country. She has gotten married, has kids, has bought a home, and is just living, in France. So let's look at the details about the visa first, and then I'll show you where to land an au pair job in France. So this is from the government website in France. As you can see, this is visa information for young au pair. Yeah. So your situation, you are aged between 18 and 30. You will be temporarily hosted by a family in France that must be of a different nationality from yours and with whom you are not related, and with the plan to improve your linguistic language. You must meet the following conditions. You must have an au pair placement agreement, setting out your working conditions, your pay, and the arrangements for your French classes, details of your subsistence, accommodation, and insurance agreements will also be stated. So you can see this au pair placement agreement is coming from your host family. So they've said here that your living costs, that is your sustenance, how are you going to survive, is going to be taken care of by them. They're also going to provide their plans for your accommodation in that agreement as well. And insurance will also be stated in the agreement. We're going to look at the agreement in a bit, okay? Then you must prove basic knowledge of the French language, that you are educated to secondary school level, or that you have professional qualifications. So it's either you have your secondary school certificate or you have professional qualifications as an au pair. So let me tell you a very short story before I go ahead, So some months ago, I think that was in the month of July, I visited 2 French-speaking countries. And from the moment I landed in the airport and I took an Uber to my hotel, do you know I started speaking French with the Uber driver? Just from nowhere. Because I had studied French, many years ago, but I never took it seriously. But the little French that I studied really helped me during my stay in these 2 countries I visited back in July that were French-speaking countries. Like, nobody spoke English. I was able to communicate. I was able to order in restaurants, use taxis. The taxi men, none of them actually spoke any English at all. I would ask them to parle anglais, and they're like, no, no, no. So, nobody, spoke English, but I was able to communicate with them with the little French that I knew. So when I came back from my visit, it was a summer vacation where I visited about 8 countries. I visited 8 countries in July, So when I came back from the vacation, I went on Duolingo to learn French, and I knew everything. It was so easy for me going from one step to another. I knew everything, like everything on it, but I don't consider myself a French speaker. So this is the same thing you can do as well. Get on Duolingo, get on any of the language apps and learn French, okay? It is not difficult at all. I'm currently learning 2 languages on Duolingo as we speak, okay? And from these Duolingo courses, whenever I see anything, I'm watching TV and I see anything in those languages, I'm always telling my husband, this is what this is. Like when we are seeing signages, I'm like, I'll be telling him this is what this means, this is what this means, just from learning from Duolingo. And the day I step foot in that country, I'm going to be speaking a language with them like I've always known it. So don't let this French scare you. If you're from Nigeria, you've learned French in school. So the little one you learn in school that you took for granted is going to help you with this, your au pair. You're going to, your inner French will just come up, just like it did with me when I landed in a French-speaking country. All right, I digress, So next up, your visa. So you receive a long stay visa serving as a residence permit, which will be subject to formalities upon your arrival in France. And then a 1 year visa will be issued. Your stay as an au pair can be extended to a maximum of 2 years. So you can be in France on this job for 2 years. So you're wondering, Jackie, what happens after the 2 years? When you're in France, you will find your way to something permanent. You can either move on to study. Like I know another au pair that she has a YouTube channel. I actually watched her videos. She moved to France as an au pair, an American. So like I said, everyone does this from all around the world. The American lady said after her time as an au pair, she went in to study a bachelor's program. She's still studying. I think she's in her final year now. There are other people that also move ahead to do other things. So while you're doing this, you can be studying. You know, there are other opportunities when you're in the country. France is very easy to settle. So if you want to stay beyond your 2 years, that is very doable. So let us look at where you can get a job. There's one major website I want to show you, which is aupair.com. Become an au pair and find host families from France. Contact them today for free. So when you come to this website, you're going to be seeing different jobs, and they'll tell you different families. So they'll tell you what their family is about, how big their family is, do they have children, how old are these children. They'll give you all that information. They'll also tell you the kind of house they are staying, you know, how big it is, and they'll also tell you what they're offering. Okay, so you can see it here. This one is for 6 to 8 months, and they have children 1 to 5 years old, 6 to 10 years old, and all of that. They need someone that can start in December. Yeah. So you would just click on view profile to see everything about them. So these ones have said they're going to be offering 340 euros per month. Let us see everything they're offering in terms of accommodation and all of that. Yeah. So they've said here they have 2 children, 0 to 1 years old and 1 to 5 years old. And they're staying in the village. Yeah. And they need someone to start in September. This was the last action here was 3 hours ago. So you need to register on aupair.com first of all. Register, have your profile so you can have unlimited or full access to all the adverts here. So the parents are 35 to 50. The pocket money they're going to be giving to you is 350 euros. Yeah. Okay, I can't see this because I'm not registered. So you would see everything. Like some of them would say, okay, we stay in a 4-bedroom house. We have a bedroom for you. We have a car for you. You can take out, you know, to go hang out whenever you want. Some will also tell you they have like days of work, the hours you're working. I think we saw hours here in this particular one. 15 to 20 hours per week is your working hours. Yeah. So it's not like because you're living with them, so you're working 2-4-7. No, they still give you that freedom to also have a life. One of the agreements for this au pair by the French government has said that every au pair that comes into France should be going through French classes. So obviously the family needs to give you that flexibility to also attend your French classes so you can learn the language and also experience the culture while you are in France. So it's like you're on a working holiday. You're working, but you're on holiday. You're having fun in France. So you can check out the jobs in this aupair.com. And if you're interested, I can show you more websites. I know more websites where you can get this sort of jobs in France, but it all depends on your response to this. So let me know, are you open to it? Are you interested? Should I do more videos on this? Share the video with everyone you know, every young person you know, share this video with them. You don't need to wait till you're done with bachelor's before you move abroad. Your children can move abroad from the age of 18 to go explore the other, you know, other countries. And they can also go for 1 year, 2 years and come back. They don't need to like stay forever, all right? So let me know if you're interested in more jobs like this. Let me know in the comments so I could do more videos to show you more job boards and places where you can get jobs to move to France as an au pair. Thank you so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. Please hit the like button. It supports the channel. And subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos like this. Let us see you in the next one. Hey everyone, I bring you good news. Moving to Ireland just got easy. The Republic of Ireland is now a top destination for experts looking to work abroad. So if you want to go work abroad, I highly recommend Ireland for many reasons. It is an English-speaking country, which removes the language barrier that makes it very easy for you to integrate into a new country. Ireland also has very favorable visa options for you. Settling in Ireland is the fastest and easiest right now. Ireland is actively receiving foreign workers. As a highly skilled worker, you can get your permanent residency in Ireland in 2 years and citizenship in 5 years. You can move with your family immediately. I have put together an ebook that contains all the visa information you need about Ireland, how to move to Ireland as a highly skilled worker, as a skilled trades worker, and as a healthcare worker. Not only that, I have put together all the employers in Ireland that are currently hiring foreign workers. Getting this ebook is like me having a one-on-one consultation with you, giving you a step-by-step guide, holding your hand through the process from start to finish to land a job in Ireland and moving down to the country to begin your new life. It is easy to read and you can access it on your mobile phone, on a tablet and your laptop. I also have CV templates and cover letter templates, samples of CVs and cover letters that you can edit to apply to these jobs. This ebook also has so many bonus resources. I put together this ebook so that anyone that buys this ebook can move to Ireland within the next 3 months. To get this ebook, please use the link in the description box below or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to share the link with you. Grab your own copy of the Work in Ireland ebook and I hope to see you in Ireland within the next 3 months.